Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is fit and fine. I hope everyone is doing great. So, kids, yesterday we have completed with the chapter Reena and Rishi. I hope you are clear with it. If you are still not clear with it, we'll again do the recap of the chapter. And today we'll start with our new topic, profession. So, are you ready? Okay, first we'll start with the recap of the chapter. We will study the chapter again and discuss the question answer. Then we will start with our new topic, profession. And we are going to revise the chapter. Let us start Reena, Rishi and their family. As you know, Reena is 6 years old and her brother is 4 years old. And their family, Reena and Rishi's father is Mr. Mohan Patel. He works in an office. And their mother, Mrs. Mala Patel, she is a doctor. All of them were having a great time. Now it's time to go home. So their mother says, let us go home for lunch. So every Sunday, their grandparents visit their home for family lunch. Lunch, their mother says to Rishi and Reena, wash your hands and get ready. Remember, Rishi, you must be good today. When their grandparents visit, Reena opens the door and hugs them. Now they set towards for lunch. Now they all set for the lunch. They all sat at the table. But they have noticed that Rishi is not there. So Grandpa asks, where is Rishi? Mother says, I think he has gone to wash his hands again. Suddenly, Grandpa feels something strange. He feels that something is sitting on his feet. Is it a dog or a cat? When he reaches under the table, he pulls out something. He pulled Rishi from under the table. When Grandpa and Grandma saw that Rishi is under the table, Grandpa pulled Rishi from under the table and asked, Rishi, why is your face so dirty? He feels happy to meet both of them. And Grandpa says, we are glad to see you too. But Rishi says he was going to wash his hand, but he wanted to have lots of jam. So he went to the kitchen and had lots of jam. That's why his face was dirty. So he hid under the table when they came. But he was so happy to see them. So this is the chapter is all about Reena and Rishi. Doing the recap of the chapter. We have read the chapter. Now we'll see the word meaning and question answers. So first we are starting with the word buddy. Office, a place of work. Doctor, a person who cures sick or ill people. Strange, unusual or surprising. Glad, happy. Starting with the question answer. First question, what did children's mother tell them to do before having lunch? The children's mother tell them to wash their hands before having lunch. Second, how did Reena greet her grandparents? Reena hugs them when grandparents visit their home. What did Grandpa find strange? Grandpa found that something was sitting on his feet. Where was Rishi hiding? Rishi was hiding under the table. Why was his face dirty? Rishi's face was dirty because he had lots of jam. So I hope now you are clear with the chapter. Now we'll discuss about profession. Today we are going to learn about profession. In your previous class you might have heard this word. Profession means people who are engaged in activities according to their skill to earn their livelihood, means to fulfill their basic needs. If you're still not clear, let me show you some examples. Are you ready? Okay. The first example is fireman. He saves us from fire. Second is postman. He delivers letter, packages door to door. Third is baker. He bakes yummy cakes, cookies, chocolate chips, etc. Doctor. He treats sick or ill people. Carpenter. He makes furniture. Barber. He cuts hair. So I hope now you are clear with the profession. With the various examples, you have little bit got idea about what is a profession is all about. You have seen the peoples who are engaged in different occupations. Like suppose I am a teacher. I teach in class. So as a teacher is a profession. So I am involved in teaching. Suppose you have seen fireman who saves us from fire, doctor, carpenter, lawyer. So on the basis of today's topic, I have prepared the PPT for the exercise. Let's discuss that. Already explained about profession. People do different things to learn a livelihood. This is called their profession. There can be many different professions. For example, person who teaches student is a teacher. A person who cooks food in a restaurant is a chef. A person who treats sick people is a doctor. I hope now you are clear with the meaning. You can see the questions. For the answers, I have prepared the PPT. So don't worry, we'll discuss answers there. Just have a look at the questions. Okay, have you seen? So shall we discuss the answers? Okay, let's start. We have already read about profession and you have seen the questions. Here we'll discuss it again. Persons involved in different activities according to their skill to earn their livelihood is known as profession or occupation. For example, teacher, lawyer, doctor, policeman, etc. As you have seen the questions in worksheet 2.2, so here we'll discuss the questions and answers. Match the nature of work to the correct profession in the table. A person who stitches clothes, tailor. A person who delivers letters, postman. A person who cures the sick, doctor. A person who writes book, author. A person who grows crops, farmer. B question. Choose the correct profession to describe the people below. In bracket it is given teacher, dancer, painter, baker, chef. So first question, Neha loved to dance. She is a dancer. Sunita teaches in a school. She is a teacher. Ronnie makes beautiful paintings. He is a painter. Fourth, Raman makes yummy cakes. He is a baker. Fifth, Yogita cooks delicious food in a restaurant. She is a chef. Question. Match the picture with correct profession. You have seen the picture and according to that you have to match the profession. So directly I have written the answer here. The first picture was of cricketer. Second, swimmer. Third, footballer. Children, I hope you got a little idea about profession. Don't worry, again and again we will recap it. For today's, I'll end my session here. I hope you have enjoyed the session with me. Goodbye. Have a great day. Stay safe. Stay at home.